So, welcome to this video. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, but we're going to be basically, I'm going to be showing you how to install the bear mod, and, you know, naturally, I just had to spawn 100 of them, and sick them on a fueling camp, so, hope you enjoyed that. But yeah, let me give a little shout out to this mod creator. His name is, what is his name again? Who made this mod? Hang on, let me look this up real quick. Wait, where's his name? I thought I had it. I do not have his name. All right, well, I got the link down below. Oh, Shadow84. That is the owner of who made this mod. So, in order to do this, you are going to need to install BepIn, and I'm going to go over all of that for you. But be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. And yeah, this will just add a little bit of spice into your Valheim game. And also, if you have any other mods for me, let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to check them out. Anyways, let's go over the install. Okay, so let's go over the install. So first, we're going to start with the BepIn pack install. So what you want to do is go to manual download. The link for this will be in the description. We're going to start manual download. Then we're going to save it. I already have it saved, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Actually, you know what? Screw it. I'll just do it. Boom, it's done. That was super easy. And then let's actually open it up, and then you're going to want to extract it. So we're going to go to compressed folder tools, extract all. You don't need to extract it directly into the folder, into the Valheim folder, because we don't need all these contents in there. But now that we got that, I'm going to close out of the zipped folder. Now we got that. So now we're going to make our way to Valheim in Steam. Go to Properties, Local Files, and then we're going to hit Browse. So this is going to bring up the file folder for Valheim. That's in our Steam directory. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so I already have BepIn installed. So we're going to go to BepIn. I'm just going to drag and drop it anyways just to show you. Just drag and drop the whole thing in there. And then it's going to ask me to replace. I already know. Okay, now that's done. Now that BepIn is installed, to make sure so you know that BepIn is actually, installed and running correctly, we're going to launch Valheim. And then let me double check. Okay, yep, sorry. I was trying to make sure it was working. So you see the console over here? That's how you know that BepIn is working correctly. And of course, we're just going to close. So BepIn is working correctly. So next one, we need to install the bears mod. We're going to go to manual up here. I already have it downloaded, and it takes a while to download, so I'm not gonna download it again. And I will bring you to the Valheim. Oh, nope, that's my videos for this install. Okay, that's the Valheim folder. This is the Valheim mod. Mostly because I need it. Okay, we're gonna go extract all. Boom. Okay, so we don't need the compressed thing. Compressed folder anymore. So now that we're here, we got the DLL, the bears DLL. That's what we want. So we're going back over to our Valheim folder. We're going to go to BepIn X. We're going to go to plugins, and then I already have it in there, but we're going to drag and drop it anyways. I'm going to hit replace, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. We're done. That is awesome. That's it. That's all I need to do. And if you want to spawn the bear into the world, like I did for my videos. So the item name is basically bear, but when you spawn it in, make sure you capitalize the B in bear, and then yeah, it's pretty simple. If you need help spawning, just leave a comment and I'll tell you. I'll explain it in more detail. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, wait, hang on. Be sure to check out our co-op series with me and Killer Fox, and yeah. After you do that, like this video and all my other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.